Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install AFK Journey game on PC via Steam Launcher. And this game is completely free. So open Steam, go to the store page and in search the store, search for the AFK Journey and then click on this AFK Journey game. Scroll down and here you will see play AFK Journey free to play. So click on play game button. And here you can see AFK Journey 919.24 MB. So click on install button. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to the library. And here you can see AFK Journey game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install AFK Journey game on PC via the Steam Launcher for free. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.